Join me as I dive into the mind-bending world of quantum computing and try to predict its future. Can I make sense of what's coming next? Quantum computing is a term you've probably heard thrown around in tech circles, but what does it really mean? Simply put, it's a new paradigm for computing that uses the principles of quantum mechanics to perform calculations at unprecedented speeds and scales. The potential impact is massive, with applications in fields like medicine, finance, and cybersecurity already being explored. Classical computing, the kind of computing we've been doing for decades, relies on bits to process information. These bits can only be in one of two states, 0 or 1, which limits their ability to process complex data. However, as our datasets grow and become more intricate, classical computers start to reach their limits. For instance, simulating complex molecules or cracking complex encryption codes becomes an insurmountable task. The reason for this limitation lies in the way classical computers process information serially, one step at a time. This leads to an explosion of possibilities as the problem size increases, making it impractical to solve. On the other hand, quantum computers, by leveraging the principles of superposition and entanglement, can process vast amounts of information simultaneously, making them uniquely suited to tackle complex problems. Moreover, quantum computers are not bound by the same scalability limitations as classical computers. They can, in theory, process an exponential number of possibilities simultaneously, making them ideal for applications like optimization, machine learning, and cryptography. In the quantum realm, particles can exist in multiple states at once, allowing for an exponential number of possibilities to be explored simultaneously. This property, known as superposition, is what gives quantum computers their incredible processing power. Furthermore, when two particles are entangled, their properties become linked, enabling the instantaneous transfer of information between them regardless of the distance. Imagine a vast, uncharted territory where the rules of classical physics no longer apply. This is the realm of quantum mechanics, where particles can tunnel through solid barriers, and where the act of observation itself can change the outcome of an experiment. It's a mind-bending world that has led to some of the most groundbreaking discoveries in the history of science. One of the most promising applications of quantum computing is in the field of cryptography. Currently, many encryption algorithms rely on the difficulty of factorizing large numbers, a problem that's increasingly vulnerable to classical computers. However, by harnessing the power of quantum computers, we can create unbreakable encryption codes that will secure our online transactions for generations to come. Take, for example, the recent breakthrough by Google, where they demonstrated a quantum computer that could perform a specific calculation in 200 seconds, a task that would take a classical computer around 10,000 years to complete. This feat showcases the enormous potential of quantum computing and has sent shockwaves throughout the tech community. Moreover, tech giants like IBM and Microsoft are investing heavily in quantum computing research, developing their own quantum processors and software frameworks. This influx of capital and talent is driving innovation at an incredible pace, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with quantum computing. The future of quantum computing holds endless possibilities. From revolutionizing the way we approach complex problems to unlocking new fields of study, the potential impact is staggering. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, one thing is certain: the future of quantum computing is bright and is going to change the world. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of quantum computing. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this emerging technology in the comments below. If you're interested in exploring more advanced topics in tech, be sure to check out our video on the future of artificial intelligence.